Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today we're sharing 10 genius work-related hacks that will transform your workspace, boost your productivity, and make your workday smoother. Let's dive in and revolutionize your work environment. DIY desk cable management with PVC pipe. Say goodbye to cable clutter with this simple hack. Step 1. Measure and cut PVC pipe into sections that fit your desk. Step 2. Sand the edges for safety. Step 3. Attach the sections to your desk using strong adhesive or screws. Step 4. Thread your cables through the pipes. Pro tip, paint the PVC to match your desk for a sleek look. Magnetic strip for office supplies. Keep your desk clear with this magnetic organizer. Step 1. Choose a magnetic strip that fits your space. Step 2. Install it on your wall or above your desk. Step 3. Attach metal office supplies like scissors and paper clips. This hack saves desk space and keeps everything within reach. Repurpose a tension rod for file organization. Transform your filing system with this clever hack. Step 1. Measure your cabinet or drawer for the right tension rod size. Step 2. Install the tension rod. Step 3. Use clips to hang file folders from the rod. This system keeps documents organized and easily accessible. DIY dry erase board from a picture frame. Create a custom dry erase board for notes and reminders. Step 1. Choose an old picture frame. Step 2. Remove the glass and clean it thoroughly. Step 3. Optional. Replace the glass with whiteboard material. Step 4. Reassemble the frame and hang it up. Now you have a stylish dry erase board for brainstorming and to-do lists. Use ice cube trays for small office supplies. Organize small items with this simple hack. Step 1. Clean out an ice cube tray. Step 2. Place it in your desk drawer. Step 3. Sort small items like paper clips and push pins into different compartments. This keeps everything organized and easy to find. Create a portable workstation with a rolling cart. Make your workspace mobile with this clever hack. Step 1. Choose a sturdy rolling cart. Step 2. Organize your essentials on different levels. Step 3. Add a laptop stand or portable monitor. Now you can work from any room in your home or office. DIY desk organizer from old shoe boxes. Upcycle shoe boxes into stylish desk organizers. Step 1. Gather old shoe boxes. Step 2. Cover them with decorative paper or paint. Step 3. Stack and arrange them on your desk. These custom organizers add style while keeping your workspace tidy. Use a Lazy Susan for craft supplies. Keep craft supplies at your fingertips with this rotating organizer. Step 1. Place a Lazy Susan on your desk. Step 2. Add containers for different supplies. Step 3. Arrange items like markers, scissors, and glue sticks. Spin to access what you need without cluttering your workspace. Create an inspiration board with cork tiles. Build a customizable inspiration board for your workspace. Step 1. Arrange cork tiles on your wall. Step 2. Secure them with adhesive or push pins. Step 3. Pin up inspiring photos, quotes, and ideas. This board will keep you motivated throughout your workday. Use binder clips as phone stands. Create instant phone stands with this simple hack. Step 1. Choose large binder clips. Step 2. Attach them to the edge of your desk. Step 3. Bend the metal arms to create a cradle for your phone. Now you can easily view your phone while working. There you have it. 10 genius work-related hacks to boost your productivity and organize your workspace. Which one are you excited to try first? If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.